Here's you a quick little tip. I ran into a situation on my current build where I needed metal to look like roofing metal, alright? And the metal that I'm using is actually roofing metal. Look at this, see? And so I cut me a piece that was mostly to scale, you know, roughly the size I needed. And I said, we need some little ridges, some V grooves. I want to simulate the look of that V right there. And I remember the tricks of my other crafting buddies have used before. And I did the really rough DIY version of that. All I did was cut me a V groove in this piece of wood right here. That's some hardwood flooring. That's a scrap piece of tongue and groove, see that? I got me a piece of hardened wire. Preferably you should probably mount your wire to a bar, another bar, alright? And so you got two bars that's going to clunk like that, like almost like a mold, alright? But me, I do to my wire and beat it to death. Look at that. However, I was able to get my metal pieces I needed. And I like to take some medium to fine grit sandpaper and just tape. And try to make them edges pop a little bit, you know. And by the way, I guess this is a 3V metal instead of 5V, but that's alright. It should get the idea across that it's roofing metal. Hopefully. That's just you a quick one of these. Stay tuned for the complete build. I just wanted to give y'all a little something, you know. Cause I love y'all. Alright. And keep on. Do what? Steady crafting.